Oh, good. How about yourself?
Yeah, good to see you.
Good to see you. This is entrepreneur that we've met at 60 Swan Pop-Up in, was it last year? I believe it was last year.
Like 5 months ago, yeah.
Okay, yeah. So early in the year, met them at 60 Swan Pop-Up, and it's great to see businesses continuing to do the things that they're doing. So they're continuing, they're staying focused. And we'd like to know how business has been going for you guys recently.
It's good, man. My walkie-talkie business is actually booming, fame growing. Okay. So I just don't want this to die. This is my very first step in the journey of entrepreneurship. So I don't want to let this go. But it's good, man.
That's
Crybaby Cold Brew's taking over the cold brew game right now in Antelope Valley.
Okay.
So I'm hooking up with coffee. So they're doing their thing.
Okay, cool. So as we see, Corvo Coffee is doing some big things. If you can, go ahead.
Yeah. This is dope right here.
Yeah. So
I like this.
What stores are you guys in particular?
Oh, so right now you can guys catch us at Leo and Mama's in Lancaster, as well as Modern Tea Room.
Okay.
And then Russo's Pizza. They're also slinging Corvo now.
Okay.
And then Crybaby Cold Brew. That's big right now.
Okay.
Yeah, you can catch them all over Lancaster Boulevard. They're all in all these shops. So
for sure.
That's really cool.
What all flavors are you guys doing with the cold brew?
So right now they're doing Mexican coffee for the cold brew, and that's from Tecolote. And then today I have left is Ethiopian, as well as what is this one? I've been saying it all day, so I'm a little tired. But yeah, that's Vietnamese. Vietnamese coffee.
Okay, that's what's up, man. Well, love to hear that. Love to hear the business is growing. Right, the different flavors, the different product expansion of the product line. The fact that you guys are out here at the flea market, supporting Antelope Valley, and continue to preach positivity and doing the things that you guys are doing.
Appreciate that, man.
No problem.
Yeah, this is really nice right here.
Yeah.
Check.
Mic check 1 2 1 2. Man, you got to be prepared. Man. You want your quality to be nice. You have to invest back in it. You take care of it, it'll take care of you. Come forward.
You guys doing coffee at the crib?
Oh, we're doing good. We're doing good right now.
So I'm trying to go home with all this bags. Yeah, that's Vietnamese. It's strong coffee too. So
okay.
Yeah, don't down it because it's gonna be all like.
I got you. So kind of take it sparingly, right?
Yeah, because our house roast Guatemalan isn't that strong, but it's flavorful though. And that right there is gonna have you everywhere.
There we go. So as we see, you said it's Guatemalan?
Yes, sir. No, that's Vietnamese.
Okay, so as we see, this is some Vietnamese right here, Vietnamese pack. So like I say, we appreciate them. We appreciate connecting with them, and we look forward to them growing, expanding, as quick as they want to expand and continue to do positive things. Appreciate you guys. All right. You too.
Thank you.
All right. So as you see, Corvo Coffee is doing incredible things. All right. Winning plays every day. TCP will show you the way. Accomplish your goals and never fold. Just follow the winning plays that you've been told. The Champions Playbook will help you win, and your success will never end. Winning plays, winning plays.